Silicon Valley's AI raises election meddling concerns on Super Tuesday Eve. As the nation gears up for the pivotal Super Tuesday primaries next week, election officials and law enforcement agencies are facing a new and ominous threat: artificial intelligence-generated misinformation. With the advent of sophisticated AI technology, the landscape of election interference has evolved, prompting urgent discussions and preparations in Contra Costa County and beyond. In a recent meeting between Contra Costa County's election staff, local police, and an FBI agent, the spectre of AI-driven election meddling loomed large. Mock scenarios demonstrated how AI could be utilized to disseminate fake news reports, manipulate public opinion, and undermine the integrity of the electoral process. The concerns escalated following a disturbing incident in January when a robocall featuring a fabricated version of President Joe Biden's voice attempted to deter voting in New Hampshire's primary. Prompted by this alarming trend, the U.S. Federal Communications Commission swiftly moved to outlaw the use of AI-generated voices for unsolicited robocalls, recognizing the potential for such technology to misinform voters and disrupt democratic processes. California Attorney General Rob Bonta joined counterparts from other states in condemning AI-mediated election interference, emphasizing the threat posed to the fundamental principles of democracy. While traditional concerns about hacking and tampering with voting systems persist, the focus has shifted towards combating the dissemination of AI-generated misinformation aimed at deceiving voters. Matt Morrells, Assistant Registrar of Voters in Santa Clara County, voiced apprehension about the widespread use of AI-generated materials to sow confusion and misinformation among voters. He emphasized the importance of vigilance and urged the public to rely on credible sources for accurate information. The proliferation of AI technology, exemplified by the release of products like OpenAI's ChatGPT, has sparked a broader conversation about its societal implications. From concerns about privacy and employment to the unprecedented ability to fabricate convincing content, the ramifications of AI extend far beyond the realm of elections. Political science experts warn that AI provides malicious actors with powerful tools to disseminate false information rapidly and effectively. Susan Hyde of UC Berkeley highlights the potential for AI-driven misinformation to erode trust in democratic institutions and foster polarization within society. Marcy Andino, a senior director at the Center for Internet Security, anticipates a surge in AI-aided interference as the November general election approaches. The Federal Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency echoes these concerns, cautioning against the use of AI to spread false voting information and manipulate public opinion. Reuven Cohen, an AI consultant, warns of the insidious tactic of using AI to induce apathy among voters, emphasizing the ease with which realistic videos and targeted messaging can be deployed to dissuade participation. Despite the ominous implications of AI-driven election interference, there is a glimmer of hope. Georgetown University researcher Josh Goldstein asserts that, thus far, there is no evidence to suggest that AI-propagated misinformation could sway the outcome of an election. As the nation braces for the upcoming primaries and the ensuing general election, the battle against AI-mediated election meddling intensifies, underscoring the imperative of safeguarding the integrity of the electoral process in the digital age.